I want you. He's having bike problems. Y'all wildin' 4 and 5 wide.
Access granted.
Are you coming?
That shit was so funny, yeah.
Do what?
Looks like a gas cap, right?
Yeah.
Don't go past the bridge.
Yeah.
Looks like you smoke.
No. No, he's tripping, boy. Is my GoPro on? Hell yeah, it got that. You tripping balls right now. You know that? You gonna see my tail light?
Bro.
And I'm gonna wave at you. I'm gonna say hi.
You're in the 170s, dog.
What?
170s.
173. Bruh, you got like one nut. Easy need to hurry the f up with this video. I'm trying to race this man.
Yeah, hurry the f up, Easy.
Yeah, hurry the f up, Easy. I got a gas cap.
How about you minding your own business? How about that?
Yeah, tell him.
You got a gas?
Yeah.
You just gonna run with gas over?
You are really dumb, for real.
Let's go. Let's go race. I don't have a clue where we're going, so I gotta wait on them. My guy just threw a fat rock at me. What the f, bro? What is that shit? We're running 4 wide here.
Let's get ready to rumble!
You win.
Was y'all really trying to run that 5 wide? Holy shit. I was like, I'll just hang in the back, bro. I'll hang in the back.
Whoop whoop, hit it, you.
I just went behind y'all. I was like, oh hell no, it's 5 wide. I was like, that's wide. Yeah, I was like, I'll just hang back.
Let's get ready to rumble!
You win.
I started to come around on the top on him. I started to come around on the top on him. I started to come around. Woo! Woo! Oh damn, he's having bike problems. Damn, that was wet.
Another you.
Hey, that was solid. That was solid. Hell yeah, I'll take it.
I think you both floating in a little bit.
That was weird. I want you. For sure.
Let's get ready to rumble.
You win.
That was crazy, bro. What was going on there? 4 wide's kind of sketchy, bro. I don't know about it. Y'all be wilding for that. 4 and 5 wides. They're smacking these hoes around, boy. Shit. Me and Larry didn't really get a good run. Bro, these motherfuckers be running 4 and 5 wide and that's sketchy, bro. Y'all wilding 4 and 5 wide, bro. God damn, I was like, I'm cool with 4 wide. We was 5 wide at one point. That was crazy. We was like, bro, I could have reached out and grabbed him.